Hi everyone. Today I thought we'd do a science experiment. With Easter just around the corner, I thought we would do something with some eggs. But we're going to do the engineering process as we do it. So let's take a look. The first thing we need to do is ask a question. Basically, what is the problem? And in this case, I want to know, can we get an egg to bounce? That's our question. Now, if we come here to imagine, how can we solve this problem? How can we get this egg to bounce? Because as we look at it, if I drop this egg, it definitely doesn't bounce. We just end up with a big mess. So why is that? Well, let me show you. Let me take this ball, for example. This tennis ball will bounce. Do you know why? Well, the reason it bounces is because, number one, we have gravity pulling it down to the ground. But number two, as it bounces, it's squishing together and then it has to release. So as it bounces and squishes, it has to unsquish and bounce back up. That's actually how the ball bounces. So that's why, obviously, the egg's not going to bounce because it's a hard surface. And inside the hard surface is liquid. So it's just, again, going to make a big mess. So what's our plan? Well, let me tell you what our plan is. We're going to take some vinegar and we're going to take an egg. And I put it in this glass jar just so that we'd be able to see what's happening. So I'm going to take some vinegar and I'm going to pour it over the egg. So I'm going to pour enough in there so that the egg is completely covered. Now, if you take a look, nothing's really happening yet. You can kind of see a few bubbles bubbling up. But nothing. So again, I go back to my question. What's going to happen to this egg to make it bounce? Think about that, and we'll be back in a few days to find out.